Your Android phone already has a hidden tool that can magnify almost anything around you. Most Android users don't even know it exists. Open Settings on your Android phone, scroll down and tap Accessibility, tap Vision Enhancements, scroll down and tap Magnification. Turn the magnification shortcut on. Now you can choose a shortcut, select how you want to activate it. You can choose accessibility button, press side and volume up buttons, press and hold volume up and down button for 3 seconds, triple tap the screen, choose whichever feels easiest. I have chosen tap accessibility button. Now you can see a floating icon with A in your right hand side screen. Press the icon. Now you can see it activated by saying a blue light comes on at the edges of your phone screen. Now when you go to a website or open camera app, you can zoom to read tiny letters, point your phone camera at small text, zoom in to read medicine labels, receipts, serial numbers, tiny instructions and restaurant menus. That's one hidden Android feature that can save your eyesight and make everyday tasks much easier. Follow for more Android tips and tricks.